You're not stuck because you lack income. You're stuck because your purchases come with invisible obligations attached to them. If you earn a solid income but still feel like you're running in place, you're likely caught in a cycle of buying things that look normal but quietly strip away your control. Today, you're going to learn the difference between spending for status and spending for control. This is for the high earner who still feels broke, the mid-level professional who can't save, and anyone tired of watching their paycheck disappear before it even settles. Stay with me. The control framework. Financial control isn't about a big number in your bank account. It's about flexibility. It's about low obligation. It's about clear decisions. You lose control when your fixed costs get so high, you can't say no. Every time you sign a contract or hit subscribe, you're placing a claim on your future time. Every purchase carries 3 hidden costs. First, the money cost. Second, the attention cost. Third, the future commitment cost. And that last one is the real one. The most expensive part of anything you buy isn't the price. It's what it forces you to keep doing. Think about a gym membership you don't use. The $10 a month isn't the real cost. The real cost is the guilt and the friction of canceling that keeps you paying for a year. Or that free trial you forgot to cancel. You didn't buy a service. You bought a recurring task for your future self. The psychology of why we buy. You're not buying products. You're buying feelings. And those feelings expire fast. Dopamine spending is short-term relief. Bad day at work? A package at your door feels like a win. But the relief lasts 10 minutes. The charge lasts 30 days. Present bias makes you ignore future costs. You want the car today. The meal today. You assume future you will handle it. Then there's social proof. Everyone at work drives a certain SUV. Suddenly it feels required, not a luxury, an entry fee. Then identity buying. You buy running shoes to become a runner, kitchen gear to become a chef. You're trying to purchase a version of yourself. Now look at the I deserve this trap. Rough week. You order $60 of delivery. The stress stays. Now your bank balance drops. That creates more stress. It's a loop. The audit. 12 things to stop buying. We're breaking this into 4 clusters. One of these is draining your freedom right now. Cluster 1. Recurring control leaks. These don't hit once. They hit every month. Subscriptions you don't track. The trap, set and forget. It feels harmless because it's $12.99. The psychology. Low friction hides real cost. The fix. 1 in 1 out rule. Do this today. Open your bank app. Find one subscription you haven't used in 14 days. Cancel it. Example, that streaming service you only opened for one show. That's a tax on indecision. 2. Extended warranties. The trap. Fear at checkout. Protect your investment. The psychology. Loss aversion. The fix. Self-insurance rule. Do this today. Decline warranties under $1,000. Example, a $200 appliance doesn't need a $40 warranty. You're overpaying for peace of mind. 3. Buy now, pay later. The trap. Split payments. It's only 4 payments. The psychology. Separating pleasure from pain. The fix. Full price default. Do this today. Delete BNPL apps. Example, if you can't pay for the shoes today, you can't afford them. 4. App-based microspending. The trap. $1.99 upgrades. It's nothing. The psychology. Small amounts bypass resistance. The fix. Password friction rule. Do this today. Disable Face ID and one-click purchases. Example. Typing a password for a $0.99 buy will stop most of them. Cluster 2. Status maintenance. Status isn't expensive once. It's expensive forever. Constant phone upgrades. The trap. 2-4 month plans. The psychology. Normalization. The fix. 3-generation rule. Do this today. Keep your phone for at least 3 generations. Example. Most upgrades are camera tweaks you'll forget in a week. Fashion and image cycles. The trap. Trends. The psychology. Staying current. The fix. Cost per wear minimum. Do this today. Ask if you'll wear it 50 times. Example. If you won't wear it regularly, it's not worth it. Oversized lifestyle choices. The trap. Buying the max you qualify for. The psychology. Bigger feels like progress. The fix. 80% capacity rule. Do this today. Cap your spending at 80% of your max. Example. That extra 20% becomes your breathing room. Social spending pressure. The trap. Saying yes to everything. The psychology. Fear of being judged. The fix, counter-offer rule. Do this today. Suggest a cheaper alternative. Example, swap a $100 dinner for coffee and a walk. Cluster 3, convenience traps. Convenience removes friction, but it also removes awareness. Delivery overuse. The trap, instant food. The psychology, fatigue spending. The fix, pickup only rule. Do this today. Delete delivery apps. Example, if you won't drive 10 minutes, you don't really want it. Paying to skip small effort. The trap, pre-cut, pre-made everything. The psychology, time is money. The fix, labor audit. Do this today. Buy whole, not pre-prepped. Example, 60 seconds of effort saves a 300% markup. Add-ons at checkout. The trap, impulse extras. The psychology, I'm already spending. The fix, list strictness rule. Do this today. Only buy what's on your list. Example, if it wasn't planned, it doesn't go in the cart. Cluster 4, false opportunities. Urgency is usually a tool, not a signal. Limited time urgency purchases. The trap, countdown timers. The psychology, fear of missing out. The fix, 4-8-hour rule. Do this today. Leave it in the cart. Close the tab. Example, most needs disappear after 2 days. Reality check, Hasson. The renewal test. Pause. Think about every subscription you have. Streaming, gym, apps, storage. If all of them renewed for 12 months and you had to pay up front, would you say yes? If the answer is no, you're losing control. You're paying for the ghost of an old habit. The micro audit expansion. Let's look at the small leaks. 3 streaming services at $15. A $20 gym you don't use. Delivery twice a week with fees. Individually, nothing. Together, over $120 a month. That's nearly $1,500 a year. That's not just money. That's a flight, a repair fund, a month of your life back. No single expense looks dangerous, but together, they lock you in. Most people aren't broke from one mistake. They're stuck from 20 small ones. Reality check, #2, the interruption test. If your income stopped for 3 months, what would feel like pressure? Rent? Or the $300, $400 in small obligations? The things that stress you in a crisis are the things you should fix today. Average versus wealthy thinking, the difference isn't what they buy. It's the question they ask. Average thinking, can I afford this monthly payment? Wealthy thinking, what does this commit me to? Does this reduce my future options? If a car forces you to stay in a stressful job for 5 years, you didn't buy a car. You bought a constraint. They protect optionality, not appearance. The control system, 5 rules for today. Rule 1, recurring equals automatic resistance. Do this. Turn on alerts for every recurring charge. Rule 2, upgrades equals delay by default. Do this. Default to not this year. Replace only when it fails. Rule 3, convenience equals track frequency. Rule 4, urgency equals assume manipulation. Rule 5, emotional buy equals wait 48 hours. The pivot paradox. Wealthy people don't avoid spending. They avoid losing control. Every dollar locked into obligation is a dollar that can't buy freedom later. This isn't an income problem. It's a system problem. If you don't control your system will control you. CTA assignment. This week, audit your last 30 days. Cancel at least 2 recurring charges. This month, no delivery apps, pickup or cook. This year, no upgrades. Maintain what you own. Which purchase is costing you the most control right now?